Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram shop. So first things first, I highly recommend to connect your Facebook page or shop to your Instagram. To do that, you need to tap on connect Instagram right here and then just follow the prompt. Make sure also that your Instagram, your Shopify and your Facebook page is open in one tab. Let's just say in Google Chrome. So as you can see, I have to log in again my Instagram for me to connect my Facebook page to my Instagram. Once connected, I should see it right here. Now, in order for you to simply connect your Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram, just go to your Shopify, go to your App Store, tap this one right here. And in the Shopify App Store, you have to search for Facebook and Instagram. Go to the search icon or search for type Facebook and Instagram. And if you see this one right here, what you're going to do is click and then install this to your Shopify. So you have to read the following instruction if you want, but once done, then you can now tap on install and follow the instruction right here. Click install again. And then what you're going to do is just provide what this Shopify or this application need. So tap on this connect account button right here. Click this one. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is connecting. Make sure that this one is your Facebook account. Tap this one right here. Later, Shopify will show you the pages inside this Facebook account. So just follow the prompt right here and then wait for a couple of seconds again as it is processing. Now what you're going to do next is you have to click this one right here. Get started. Click this one. Choose the Facebook page you want to connect. So for example, this one right here, House Solutions, and then wait for a couple of seconds. For this one, you just have to simply select the enhance. You can tap on view details to see more. Once done, then proceed to the next one. And then here is tap on create new pixel. Click this one and then agree with the terms and conditions. And after that, you will see your Facebook page here on your Shopify. So that's how easy it is to connect Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram shop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.